XRP to $23. Guys, that video got a total of 72,000 views in a matter of 3 days. I think that might actually be my best one yet. So thank you very much. So I'm very grateful to those of you who watched the video, who enjoyed the video, left a comment in the comment section, as well as joined the Mango family. Welcome, welcome. Now, one more thing worth celebrating is this. XRP has actually gone ahead to break its previous bull market high, which only came in at around $1.94. And I told you guys about this even before the breakout right here. I said if there's any time that XRP starts clearing out those previous bull run highs, it is this time around, primarily because all the FUD luggage that we had back in 2021, 2022, all of that has been cleared out. This is the time. In fact, the thesis where I said XRP can get all the way up to $23 was actually presented 3 months ago. Now here's a quick throwback compilation of all the bids we've caught so far. So yes, I'll be looking for a lot of the coins right now to be breaking out, XRP included as well. And remember guys, it's breaking 62 cents that's going to trigger this falling channel, which in turn is going to trigger the massive symmetrical triangle-like formation. Yesterday, while the markets were dumping, XRP was in a world of its own. XRP actually took a massive 13% leg to the upside. The breakout is so important, guys, that this could very well be the trigger to XRP getting up to that $2 mark, essentially the previous bull market high. Now, I speak to those of you looking for that pullback opportunity and looking to build on your XRP trade. Where can you really expect the pullback to? Honestly, if we just zoom out of the chart, I want you guys to look at the zone between $1.07 going all the way down to 94 cents. All right, that's what I personally am going to be looking for. So what I would wait for is for price to actually confirm over $1.21, and oftentimes you see a pullback into that region of resistance now flipped into support. You're looking for price to hold it as support, catch your bid there, and manage it off of $1.21. All right, let's pause. I've gone ahead and annotated them on my screen. The first bid caught at 62 cents. If you caught the bid along with me right here, you are up a good 282% on your trade. If you did not catch that one, but you caught bid number 2, you are up a good 123% on that trade. And bid number 3 was a breakout bid at $1.21. I got on video at midnight to give you guys that update. If you caught that trade, I said wait on that break, okay? It's going to be a breakout trade. You can manage your risk accordingly. That's a good 98% from that bid opportunity. Now today I'm going to be addressing one main question that I'm getting from a lot of you guys right now. Krisha, should I be buying XRP right now, right here? So that I might too ride XRP all the way up to that potential $23 target. Now before I give you guys the juice on this, I want to first celebrate some of you who have freaking killed it. First shout out to Brandon. Within a month of following us, he says, I noticed myself just waiting for their trade videos and not paying attention to other channels I had subscribed to. Took the plunge and signed up for the Mango Seed program. He says if you're brand new to trading, then this program is for you. If you're someone who still knows the ins and outs of the crypto market and have success with strategy, then this program is still for you. He says, I can tell you that over the last year, I was down a considerable amount of money in my crypto account. I started following their trades, grew my account from around $80,000 I had left to $335,000. What a freaking turnaround. Amazing stuff. So huge shout out to Brandon who freaking killed it. And also another shout out to Ghost. Now Ghost, guys, he's 17 years old and he actually had to take permission from his parents to join the Seed program. And he posted this a couple of days ago. He says, today I'm proud to say that I've not only covered the cost of the Seed program, but also my college fees. My parents couldn't be happier seeing how far I've come. Every day I continue to feed my brain with knowledge, and I genuinely believe that this is just the beginning of my journey. But he really worked up to this because he mentioned this. He says, in the last bear market, while most people were lamenting their losses, I decided to take a different path. I dived deep into understanding the markets. So this was a win, well-deserved, well-earned. Now, these are just 3 of the many of you who've managed to bag some excellent trades, specifically on XRP, and congratulations to all of you. However, now's the time to be focusing and to be locked in. I do not want you guys to think of your wins as the house's money. This is your money now. These are your profits to keep, to secure. So now's the time to be thinking of your take profit plans as well as your risk management around your position on XRP. Now, speaking of risk management on XRP, for those of you wondering, well, Krisha, should I be buying in right here, right now? Well, let me show you something. I want you guys to observe price action relative to this red zone. What is it that we're looking at right now? we are looking at macro resistance coming in from around $2.01, going all the way up to $2.37. This right here was the 2017-2018 cycle top. This right here was the 2021 cycle top, and guess what? We're back at that zone once again. However, this is still a macro zone of resistance. As someone who's been riding XRP from 62 cents up a good 300%, I am not going to botch that trade by jumping in on macro resistance. Absolutely not. So if you ask me, would I be adding to my position right here? The answer to that question is no. I personally would not be adding to my position right here. This is macro resistance. Well, then the next question is, can we then look for a pullback opportunity, perhaps down to $2? Well, to get a good grip on that, let's get into the Mango dashboard. You guys can find this on app.mangoresearch.co. Also, guys, just a quick announcement. The Black Friday sale is on for the next 24 hours. We've extended it by one more day. The coupon code is BlackMango. You can use it on all the courses and the indicators. Additionally, it gets sweeter if you get either the Mango Seed Program, the Mango Dynamic Indicator, or the Mango Lifeline Indicator, then you get the dashboard with it. This might actually be one of the best offers we've run so far, so definitely take advantage of it. There's still another 24 hours left before the coupon expires. I'll be linking it in the description below. Because guys, look at the ranking on this list right now. XRP's trading volume has far surpassed Bitcoin's trading volume. This is absolutely ridiculous. Ridiculous. Okay, so if I look at XRP on the drop down, now what we're looking for over here is a good bullish trend, and I think we can all agree that XRP is bullish as hell. So we have longs across the board. In fact, if you didn't have me giving you the trades and you had an alert set on XRP and you managed to catch a reversal on the Mango dashboard, it gave you guys an email alert telling you that, hey, now's the time to be looking for a potential trade setup on XRP's chart. And if you manage to catch any of these trades at the minimum, guys, 4-hour time frame, you are up 55% on that trade. However, volatility is currently hovering at these high red numbers. It's giving me a signal of potential exhaustion. Now that we see that volatility is super high on the scale, what I want to see for a pullback is price up against resistance. Now we know that we currently are at a zone of resistance. Now mind you guys, while I am looking for a pullback opportunity, I am not bearish. Coins don't move up in one straight line. Yes, XRP is not pleading the case for me very, very well, but I want to draw your attention to this bull market right here. XRP did a good 7,000% on this first rally alone, 7,800%. This dump was 67% to the downside, 67% on the dump. But now in hindsight, did this look bearish to you? No. It did not look bearish. But then you managed to capture a 67% pullback if you were looking at the chart objectively. So this kind of price action is possible even here. Here's a lesson I learned the hard way. The same sort of volatility that you see kick into the upside, you can then expect the same sort of volatility to the downside as well. So be careful. The current trend, guys, is being established on the 4-hour time frame. If we're looking for a pullback opportunity, it doesn't seem like it wants to pull back here. It's going to come in on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so eyes on the 4-hour. The same macro zone of resistance is what we're going to be looking at in addition to the Mango dynamic support. The 4-hour dynamic support is what's held the entire XRP trend so far ever since it broke out right here. Okay, we reclaimed it as resistance, flipped it into support. Every test of the dynamic support was picked up by the buyers. It kept you on the right side of the trend. It kept you riding the trend all along. So far, we've trended a good 400% just simply on the 4-hour dynamic support. Now, right now, it appears that XRP wants to get up to 286. Okay, so for the pullback opportunity, we're going to find a call on whether or not XRP pulls back right here. Okay, $2.86. We start seeing multiple rejections at 286. That's when I'll be looking for a pullback opportunity. Right, the first bid is likely going to come in at the midpoint. At that point, I won't be surprised if the 4-hour dynamic makes its way all the way up there. If we start losing the 4-hour dynamic, guys, that's when I'll be looking for $2.01 on that zone. From the top of that range all the way to the bottom, that's going to be a good 30% on the pullback. But right now, it appears that XRP wants to get up to 286. It's a breakout. I mean, if you guys are buying here, understand that you are buying on a 400% pump, and you're buying up against macro resistance. Yes, you're going to need patience, and when you are patient sitting on the sidelines, it's going to be a tad bit painful, but I want you guys to understand that it's going to be a better pain to endure than the pain of actually buying up against resistance only to be sitting through a 20% dump. Let me tell you something, that's going to be way more painful. All right, so wait on those good bid opportunities. I will only be looking for blue sky breakout once we can start clearing 286 on the weekly. So I'm looking for weekly candle closes over $2.86. that is going to be the tell in that, okay, XRP wants to move a lot further from here. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the likes. If you're jumping into any of the courses or the indicators, don't forget to apply the coupon code. Black Mango is the coupon code. And I will now see you in the Discord chat with this trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.